Demo. Example, importing a module. Let's see an example of importing a module. Suppose we have a module named math_operations.py with a function named add_numbers. We can import this module using the import statement and then use the add_numbers function as math_operations.add_numbers. Example, creating and using a package. Now, let's look at an example of creating and using a package. Suppose we have a package named myPackage with two modules named Module 1 and Module 2. We can import Module 1 using the statement import myPackage.module1 and then use the functions and variables defined in Module 1 as myPackage.module1.my_function.